We're here today at our annual Fence Skills Championship. As National Contractor of the Year in the fence industry, this is a great way for all of our work crews to be able to show off our professional installation skills and sharpen them for the future. It means a lot to us being a third-generation family-owned business to provide a fun, competitive work atmosphere here that's family-oriented.
The guys really enjoy it. I think it makes them feel good about their job. It is like the Olympics for them.
An event like this today highlights the fact that we're more like a family here.
You don't have to ask someone to come over and help you. They're walking by, they'll just give you a hand. That's what makes Rio Grande #1, is just the camaraderie.
We want competitive people that want to go out and have a good time and compete to be the best.
And our gold medalist today for prize, run 18.